Hello, foodies. Welcome to today's episode. Today, we are preparing bean stew, a Kenyan delicacy, and it's usually served with chapatis or white rice. I hope that you learned something and that you enjoy watching this video. I am using pre-boiled beans. These beans are one of the meals that you can prepare and freeze, and just get them out of the freezer when you want to use them. I have shown you guys how I prepare mine. I'll attach the link to the video in the description box. Kindly go and watch it. just serve your beans with chapatis. I have shared our chapati making video before. I'll also attach the link in the description box to that. And also, you can enjoy your beans with white rice. I hope that you have enjoyed watching this video, guys, and I hope that you're going to try this recipe in your own kitchen. Thank you for watching, and thank you for showing love to this channel. Now let's enjoy.